Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lovely Angelina, and today for you I have an Amazon mystery box, well, premium mystery box. It's very heavy and it's really hard, so I'll just show you a little bit like this and then I'll open it. Like, I can't lift it up, like it's so heavy that this is like the best what I can do with what I can show you for this angle, and then I'll be able to show you more when I actually open the box. It's from Fun Flips. I will leave the information below. This was $160. Everything in here is supposed to be a value of like $850. So we'll see. We'll see so far. Let's see. So the first thing I see here is performance underwear, full cut briefs, breathable moisture wickening. So reading more about that, I'm not really sure. This looks like a dog costume. It says here kitty kitty, and it's a dog costume in a large. Looks like all the stuff is there for that. I'm trying to go as fast as I can because there's quite a bit of items. Okay, these are for little kids. Some little pants. Okay. Not little kids. I should say babies, 3 months old. Sorry, I don't really know actually what it said. Looks like we have in Amazon, this is an Amazon Essentials, like a sweater. A flannel. That's the word I'm looking for. I don't really want to open it because, you know, you could probably re-gift some of these items, so that'd be like a really nice re-gift item. It looks like we have another one of those underwear. There's that. I do see... Oh, it's weird. There's like food in here. Interesting. I've never seen a box with food. Looks like we have an Under Armour hoodie in a large. Oh, and this would actually be really nice for a gift. Yeah, that's actually really nice. Two nice items right there. Looks like another Under Armour item. This is another large. You know what's crazy is my husband actually recently lost weight, and like none of this stuff fits him, and it's weird how I bought this box and like now I have all these like items I could give him, which is crazy. That's nice too. It's nice. Actually really nice. 3 minutes. Oh. I don't want to make the video like super long, so I'm trying to like go as fast as I can. Oh my god. There's like 3 more of these hoodies. Are they all larges? Yes. That kind of sucks that they're all larges. I don't really know. I could gift them, but that's 3 of these, and that's $55 alone, so that's worth it right there, actually. So that was a really good deal. We have another Amazon Essentials sweater. One of those sweaters that you could, you know, or oh my god, not a turtleneck. You know the word I'm looking for. Let's see. Another sweater. Long sleeve fleece sweater. I shouldn't say sweater. I meant to say a fleece. And then we have a bunch of, so many of these glazed donut sticks. There's like a bunch of these in here. Oh my god. I actually see a pair of shoes, which I don't know if they'll be valuable to anybody, but maybe. Maybe they will be. Let's see. Oh, that's really, really heavy. All wheel cleaner. Oh, that's something for like oh, might be able to like give. A lot of these things might be my husband's presents, because he doesn't even see my channel. So what do we have here? We have Skechers. Sorry. We have actually 2 pairs of Skechers. Oh wow. These are Skechers hands-free slip-ins. What size? Oh, 10.5. I don't know if these would fit anybody that I know, but those are nice man sneakers. A 10.5. Actually, really nice. And I actually do have a pair of slip-ins, but not the Skechers. I do have similar pairs to these ones, but I don't think they fit him. I don't think they fit him, but I can try. Let's see. The next pair, oh man, these won't fit me either. These are Skechers in the Martha Stewart collection, and these are size 9. I don't think I know anybody that would. They're actually really nice. The pink. They're really nice. The other 2 things in here are, it looks like an oil filter for a Ford. I don't, you know, these I can't really do much with for me, so those I'll probably just would have to donate, you know. This was the other item. Oh, it's so heavy. We have a black scrub. Oh yeah, it's like tire stuff. Let's see where my scissors went. Sorry if this video is like all over the place. Oh, it's a whole set of these. Yeah. Black Magic, no scrub, all-wheel cleaner. Oh, wow. That's really nice. And there was 4 of these. And the last thing, it looks like, oh, toilet bowl cleaner by 7th Generation. Oh yeah. There is in the fresh mint scent, and there's 4 of them in here. So yeah, that is everything that I got in this box. I think I actually did pretty well for this premium mystery box. It's not too bad for someone who, this is like my first one that I've ever tried, so I think I did pretty well. If you guys enjoyed, let me know. I'll make more videos of this. I hope you guys have a good day.